Taulafo, kia ora, what's up, and welcome to our 90th anniversary hashtag birthday celebrating Youthtown, our whānau of Youthtown here in the North Shore. My name is Ronnie. You might have seen me on shows like Police 10-7, but yes, here to celebrate and get back to the roots. My roots of youth work started right here in the beautiful Youthtown. It's been around since 1932, and there are some faces around here that have been here since then. I'm not talking about you, Susie. Honestly, it's just it's been a mad blessing to be able to come and be a part of this family community event. And our Youthtown is, of course, always giving back to the community by way of our young people, like those guys. You guys enjoying that? Yeah? Yeah, okay, keep going. As you were. Yes? Lion King is correct! That is all yours.
So we're celebrating our 90th birthday, and then this is the opportunity for us to, celebrate with our wider community. So we've got bouncy castles, we've got live music with our friends from Play It Strange and Jackie Bristow. We've got clowns, we've got art exhibitions, we've got arts and crafts, we've got the police, the fire brigade, the civil defence. So everyone's been down and just having a really cool time.
Well, my name's Levon. I've been in Youthtown for 5 years, since 2017. I've been a coordinator, been a supervisor, and I just love this job. The reason why I've stayed so long is I love working with children, I love the staff that we get to work with, and it's just all in all a fun job, yeah.
Because the kids are like a platform to like enjoy themselves, I guess us, we can like mentor them and guide them through life, I guess.
Yeah, and it's cool to see like the kids' potential, like how they express their feelings and how they express their views at life, like at a young age. So it's pretty cool. And
definitely like lots of good things, like I've seen food stalls, like a combination of like lots of staff that I haven't seen for a long time, and just good seeing like young tamariki running around. Personally, I had some whānau running around myself, and they definitely really benefited from a day like this. And I mean, hey, let's see what it looks like when it gets to 100 years.
Kia ora, I'm up from Christchurch to celebrate the 90th anniversary of Youthtown. Awesome organisation to be part of.
So awesome seeing everyone, not just from around Tamaki Makaurau, but around the entire country that's connected with Youthtown coming in for the day. I'm here painting guitars that are going to be distributed. We have participants that are trialling them out. So it's just fantastic vibes and a fantastic day. Nowhere else I'd rather be.
Without Youthtown, I wouldn't have become a presenter on TV. I literally learned the craft and art of talking and just communicating and connecting with our families and especially our rangatahi. And from there, yeah, the rest is history.
So we decided, you know what, we really need to do something for the community to celebrate our 90th birthday, but also to give back and to remember where we come from, to try and connect with our communities and people of the past, and to make sure that we recognise all of the good work that's been done for so many years. And celebrate it. So kind of a celebration that's authentic to us, authentic to Youthtown for what it stands for, very much a community day as opposed to a fancy thing, but something that's just special that people can come away from thinking that's really lovely, warm, fun, friendly.